Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your address in the Trendyol app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Trendyol app. And here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have some deals, some articles, some recommendations. But from here we have to go and tap on the little person icon in the bottom right corner. And in this menu we find the account section, and under the account section the settings button. If you tap on this, then at the top we find addresses. We tap on addresses, and then we can just tap on add address. And yeah, we can type in our address and add it to our account, and then it's going to be easier to select where the articles that we ordered should be delivered. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.